welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a newly purchased wig. I actually bought this wig with the intention of wearing it on my upcoming vacation in March. I am going on a cruise and I know I will be in the water, and for those of you that don't know, I actually do have hair loss, which is why I wear wigs in the first place. So the last thing I wanted to do was wear my normal hair in the water. So my plan is get the wig sewn into my hair, and that way I can go in the water and do my thing as normal and not have to worry about a thing while I'm on vacation. So let's get into this beauty. The first time I'm opening it up with you guys right now. It just barely came to me yesterday. So the wig I actually purchased on Amazon. I've purchased many human hair wigs on Amazon and I really haven't had an issue except for with 2, and I think I've probably purchased like 6 by now. So this one is from Wicca hair and comes in this box here. So just your normal box. Like this is all when I've gotten wigs from My First Wig, RPG show, all of my wigs come in a box similar to this. All right, and then when you pull the wig out, it just comes in a bag. And let's see, in the box, they do give you a wig cap, which is natural color too, which is perfect because when I do my bald cap method, when I want to glue my wigs down, I actually use these. And if you're interested in seeing me do a bald cap method on making my wigs look more natural and getting them laid, make sure to comment down below and I'd be happy to do that video for you guys. But so back to her. So she comes in a bag like this. Let's see, typically wigs have lace wrapped around them, so let's see. Doesn't look like she does, that's why I'm interested. Oh, nope. So typically, like to preserve the hair, they'll put like a netting around the wig, pretty much is what I'm getting at. And so it has the usual little baggie in there to keep its shape. So this wig I got is a full cap wig because again, and this is my first full cap wig. Typically I have lace fronts, which only have the lace in the front. This one is a full cap. So if you'll see, it also has lace in the back. And the reason why is if you're getting a sew-in, you want to get a full cap wig and not a lace frontal. You want the lace all around the wig. So this is the unit. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, the ombre on her is like perfectly done. She is so pretty. Again, the cap construction, no combs because again, it's a full lace wig. And then it does have one comb in the back so you could secure it, and the adjustable straps. And then lace in the back for you to cut as well. Well, pretty much all around the perimeter. So I am not gonna style this one because I plan on keeping her just as is until I get ready to put her on and get ready to go on my cruise and get her sewed in, because I do not want to put glue or anything on her until I'm ready to, until after my cruise. So I will go ahead and pop her on though, just to see what she looks like. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back and I popped her on. I did not cut the lace. So when you see all that weird stuff all around, it's just the lace. But look at her. She's gorgeous. I can't wait to get her installed. Like I literally want to wear her right now, but I don't want to ruin her, so I'm not going. It's a little bit thin, which is fine with me because I want it to look more natural, and I have hair loss, so I'm used to the hair being really thin on my head anyway. So when I get a unit that's a little bit thinner, I'm fine as long as the tracks are not showing. And honestly, I don't feel any tracks at all. She is a little bit big. I had to adjust her as usual because the cap's a little bit big. So if you're somebody that has a bigger head, she will be fine. But I really, really like her and I can't wait to style her. She does come with baby hairs. And yeah, so this is it for the unboxing and show and tell. Again, once I wear her after my cruise and have a little bit more information on shedding and all of that, I'll come back to you guys and I'll do an update on this wig. But for now, I will link her down below. Again, I bought her on Amazon. She was only $179, so not expensive at all. It is human hair. Guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.